So we now have our kids ordered from youngest to oldest.
Okay.
And if I want to select Miriam, what should I press?
You would press 2.
Just the number 2?
No. Brackets. 2.
Good. Cool. Now, lots of times, we don't want to store just strings as kids, but instead we want to store like the entire dictionary as the element. So we'll do something like this. Here are the kids,
Yes.
and they are going to be a list,
Yes.
but instead of a list of strings, we'll have a list of dictionaries. So the first, Ellie is the middle kid. This is Emmett, and he's 4, and he weighs 40 pounds. And this is Ellie, and then we have Miriam. What does she weigh?
60 pounds.
Okay, so let's take a look at how this works. If I select the first element from kids, that's actually going to return to me
Emmett.
but a dictionary of Emmett.
A dictionary of information about Emmett.
Yeah.
Okay.
The second one returns to me information about Ellie. And then we have information about Miriam.
Correct.
Now,
Wait a minute. Let me write this down. So this is squiggly.
square brackets to say this is a list of dictionaries.
Oh. So how come your square bracket? Oh, that's the end of the square bracket.
Yep.
Oh, okay.
So this is really important because this is how we understand APIs.
APIs.
Yeah, so when you get information from, a computer from like GitHub, for example, will there we go. GitHub will make accessible all of the different kinds of jobs that are available. So these are all the jobs in New York for Python, okay?
Yes.
Which is what we're learning.
Right.
So if we want to work with this data, like for instance, figure out are they full-time jobs or part-time jobs or what company,
Right.
notice what the data structure is. It's a list, square brackets, of squiggly brackets, dictionaries. So it's a list of dictionaries.
Correct.
So we can just kind of get this data and work with it and maybe figure out where the top Python jobs are, how many there are, when were they posted, things like that.
Okay.
Okay? What's the title, all that stuff. So that's why this is really important. This is the same exact format that we get all the time in APIs. So we have to figure out how to work with this. So the first thing we did was access individual elements, and those elements, right, if I access the first element, that's just returning to me a dictionary.
Right.
Now so the first element gives me back Emmett. What if I want to find out, start from kids, and get to what is Emmett's age? What I'll need to do is say I'm starting from kids.
Yes.
Then I'm going to have to access, say I want to get to Emmett. So this is the first element.
Right. 0.
Okay. And then from there, now I've narrowed down to Emmett. Now I'm working with the dictionary.
Right.
Now I can get to his age. So another set of square brackets to get to his age.
Oh.
All right. So it's kids.
Yes.
The first element of kids.
Yes.
I've now narrowed it down
Yes.
to just Emmett.
Right.
And now, once I have that, now I'm working with the dictionary. Then I get to age.
Right.
All right. Well, you want to try one?
So.
Let's get Ellie's weight.
Okay.
You're gonna
Ellie,
type.
I'm not typing. You type. So let's do kids. Square bracket 1. Another square bracket age. Oh, quotation age.
Good. Perfect.